This is a tutorial on the download service. I am now on the main page of the modeling method called My Modeling Method, and I'm looking at the tool download area and the settings. When I click on settings, I see that a pencil item occurs with the tool download, and when I click on the tool download, it's now empty. I want to change this in the settings, so I click on the pencil item and I either add a new download or I change the existing ones. For example, if I add an ADOXX library, I can select the file for download. I can also edit the installation instruction. There are predefined installation instructions that I can use, but I can also add my own ones. Same thing for the download description. I can also add my own description if I want to. And I can also add information on the version or name. And then click Submit to save it. If I intend to, I can also remove it and create a new one, or just add a new modeling toolkit, for example. I can also adapt the same specifications for the modeling toolkit and add further toolkits if necessary. When I click on Tool Download in the navigation bar again, the ADOXX library and the modeling toolkit that I just added, they appear. When I click on instructions, the predefined instructions occur, but if I added some customized instructions, they will occur in this place.